What you doing?
Ow!
What you doing?
You're crushing my leg.
You're welcome. We're back with the box in the background. Ignore the but we are doing a fun video today, and so we're gonna show. It's gonna be like a DIY video almost, but in our own version. So if you guys have seen on TikTok the people who do the glow sticks and they're like stick figures, we are gonna make that and then do goofy things. I don't know yet.
Hopefully.
So we're gonna show you how we do it. So we're just gonna kind of go over our process and then just do some fun stuff. We're gonna probably do some TikTok videos, so we'll leave a link below if you guys want to see some of the TikTok videos we do and the outfit. So we'll leave that in the description below for you guys if you guys want to check that out as well. But for now, we're just gonna jump right into it because it's late.
Waiting for you to...
No, I'm gonna film it. You're laying them out.
Zip it inside out.
Alright, so that's hers. That's what she's gonna be wearing. She put it inside out, guys, just like I'm doing, because we decided we didn't want to go buy black sweaters,
Which
plain.
we could have.
Probably, but we didn't. But
Oh, I gotta turn mine inside out. The awkward silence of you just turning your clothes inside out. Oh look, our clothes are next to each other.
Brittany is chaotic and she flicked her across the room. So I was trying to make it look pretty and she ruined it. Chaotic, guys. Alright, so we got the safety pins. I just bought these at Target, if you're wondering. I will leave everything we have in the video, except for our clothes, because this is just stuff we have. But I'll leave everything that we show you here in the description for you guys, if you guys want to buy any of this stuff too. So, and then we got tape. So we got regular Scotch tape. Or, is that Scotch?
It's moving tape.
Moving tape. I got the heavy duty kind because I was like, I figured the heavy duty
Packaging tape.
It's packaging tape.
It's
but
the tape you put on boxes.
Yeah, but I got the heavy duty kind just to, hopefully it works. We'll find out. And then we got the glow sticks. I got these off of Amazon, and I think this is, I don't remember, I got it off of there a while. It's like 200, or is it 100? This is a 100 pack right there. But I thought I got the 200.
I feel like it's, I don't know.
I think it's a 100 pack or something like that.
I'm guessing it's 100.
But you can do different things. You can make bracelets,
Glasses,
Mickey ears.
Oh, you can make
and
Mickey ears.
Glasses, and then you got the little ball you can make. So there's a bunch of little different things. Just make sure when you get it, you get the ones that have connectors to like connect everything, because that's what you want. That is what I got. So that's all I'm gonna use. Hopefully it works. We'll find out. We'll let you guys know if this is a hit or miss. So yeah, but we'll start building now. Right, Brittany?
Yeah!
Zoom in. Now she looks petrified. Alright, so this is what the pack look like. So we have our headband stuff, so we can make the Mickey ears if we want. We got a sunglass case for glasses. And then this is a case full of like connectors, different kinds, so we can do like triple, butterfly, like different things. These are the connectors for the glow sticks, so for these guys over here. And then we got all our glow sticks. So Brittany's already started connecting hers without waiting. You can't tell I'm glaring at her. And then you got the glow sticks that kind of hang so we can make like a necklace or whatever. Brittany? I think she's on crack, guys.
Ta-da!
She's got her stick leg. Needs to be longer.
No, it doesn't. I mean, it could, but...
You might want to put one more because you got to connect it to the top. To your body.
Says who?
Says me. Alright, so I'm going to start doing mine. I unfortunately didn't get the GoPro charged today, so I'm kind of filming as I go. So we'll show you each piece and how we did it after we've done it. So, sorry about that, but that's how we're doing it.
Did you get it?
I think so. I think Brittany's having issues, guys. All we're doing, guys, is literally sticking these in here and then connecting the pieces together. Ta-da! Yep, just like that.
These are my legs.
Yeah, you seem really short.
I am really short. Shut up.
Do it again.
They're like butterfly connector things.
That's not a butterfly.
It's a butterfly connector thing.
No, that's a butterfly. Oh. Okay, maybe it is a butterfly.
It looks like a butterfly.
Doesn't look like a butterfly.
It looks like a butterfly.
It's
But
not.
anyway, put one in there, put one in there.
Boom!
Legs.
Body!
And then you put the body part in the top and it connects and it all looks like one piece.
There's 3 holes, by the way, in that butterfly connector. That's why she says it can go right in the middle. So it works perfect. I did good, guys. I did good. Alright guys, so this is what we have so far. So this is,
Hold on, there we go.
this is Brittany. I got my arm in her little New York. And I'm starting up. And this is mine. Now we're going to test and see what they look like because we added this circle piece here and we want to make sure it looks okay in the dark before we go on any further. Ta-da!
The same color, but they actually weren't.
Alright guys, this is what they look like in the dark. They look so good.
Okay, I want to test something. It doesn't look.
Looks really cool. We're gonna have too much fun with this, you know that, right?
The best thing ever.
Alright guys, so now we gotta figure out how to connect this to the clothes and then yeah.
Okay, I'm here. Oh, man, I'm old.
Yeah, you are. You're 30.
31.
You're 31 now. But you still you're old.
I'm old.
Alright, what are we doing now, Brittany? Since you rudely interrupted me, babe, shut up.
We can connect the things to the clothes.
Do you know how we're doing it?
Experimentation.
So, tape?
Maybe?
Safety pins?
Maybe?
Both?
Maybe?
We're really loopy today, guys. Alright, Brittany. We were going over what? And what did you just say?
I'm gonna do the bottom first because I'm gonna unconnect them because it's really hard to do both parts when you're not wearing them. So I'm gonna do the bottom part first and then the top part, so that way when I put them on, I can just connect them as I break them. Boom. At least we'll know they'll be all lit up by the time we get to the part where we film the TikToks and stuff.
In this video, because we'll do something with the camera too.
Yeah.
But, Brittany, what is wrong with you?
A lot of things. I don't know if we have time for everything.
Alright. So, how about you start?
Okay.
Do you want to try the tape first? So you don't, or do you not care about putting the safety pins in there?
I would care.
Which one do you want? Safety pins or tape? Safety pins, they're going to stay and you're not going to have to worry about it. But when you put it on, you're going to have to be careful.
I'd rather have tape because that's going to cause me less injury.
Okay.
That's actually not going to work.
Why?
Because my leg goes like that.
I like how you're like, that's, yep, no. We gotta fix it.
I almost lost it.
You did lose it, Brittany. You lost it a long time ago.
Twenty minutes later.
Oh.
We can't move very well. But this is the outcome. So we got it figured out, sort of. So I suggest when you do it, have someone tape it to you when your clothes are on. Because we had to fix everything. But
Yeah, it is crooked.
I'm slouching down because I left everything downstairs. So we're using a backup tripod that's upstairs. Because going up and down the stairs is not easy either. So just heads up, do it where you're going to do the video and have everything there. Because it's hard. And then have maybe even a third person help you guys put things together. But now we're going to do funny videos, and I will insert those after this, and then we'll tell you our thoughts. What do you think?
Oh, are you asking my thoughts now?
Yeah.
I have never laughed so hard in my life. I had a blast making these and wearing them, and just seeing people's reactions.
So, yeah, I love it. It's fun.
I would definitely do this again.
It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work, but it's so much fun.
It is.
I would probably like do it on like a regular long sleeve shirt, since I don't have to do a hood.
True. I only have the hood so I can have the head taped to my head because I don't know, it just didn't work. But that is it. We're gonna do some fun videos for you guys, and then and her body fell off.